Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on the types of insurance. Any risk that can be quantified can potentially be insured. Specific kind of risk that may give rise to claim are known as PERL. An insurance policy will set out in detail which PERL are covered by the policy and which are not. Below are non-exhaustive list of the many different types of insurance that exist. A single policy may cover risk in one or more of the categories set out below. For example, vehicle insurance would typically cover both the property risk, theft or damage to the vehicle, and liability risk. A home insurance policy in the United States typically include coverage for damage to the home and the owner belonging, certain legal claims against the owner, and even a small amount of coverage for medical expenses of guests who are injured to the property. Vehicle insurance. Vehicle insurance protects the policyholder against financial loss in the event of an incident involving a vehicle they own. Such as in traffic collision, coverage typically include property coverage, liability coverage, and medical coverage. Gap insurance. Gap insurance covers the excess amount on an auto loan in an instance where the policyholder insurance company does not cover the entire loan. Depending on the company's specific policies, it might or might not cover the deductible as well. This coverage is marketed for those who put the low down payment, have high interest rate on their loan, and those with 60 months or longer term. Gap insurance is typically offered by a finance company when the vehicle owner purchases their vehicle, but many auto insurance companies offer this coverage to consumer as well. Health insurance. Health insurance policy covers the cost of the medical treatment. Dental insurance, like medical insurance, protect policyholder from dental costs. In most developed countries, all citizens receive some health coverage for their government paid through taxation. In most countries, health insurance is often part of an employer benefits. Income protection insurance. Deductible insurance policy provide financial support in the event of the policyholder becoming unable to work because of disabling illness or injury. It provides monthly support to help pay such as obligation and mortgage loan and credit cards. Short-term and long-term disability policies are available to individuals, but considering the expenses, long-term policies are generally obtained only by those with at least six-figure income such as doctor, lawyer, etc. Short-term disability insurance cover a person for a period typically up to 6 months, paying a stipend each month to cover medical bills and other necessities. Casualty insurance. Casualty insurance insures against accident not necessarily tied to any specific property. It is a broad spectrum of insurance that a number of the other types of insurance could be classified, such as auto, worker compensation, and some liability insurance. Life insurance. Life insurance provides a monetary benefit to the descendant's family or other designated beneficiary and may specifically provide for income to an insured person's family, burial, funeral, and other final expenses. Life insurance policies often allow the option of having the proceeds paid to the beneficiary either in a lump such as cash payment or an annuity. In most states, a person cannot purchase a policy on another person without their knowledge. Burial insurance. Burial insurance is an old type of life insurance which is paid out upon death to cover final expenses such as the cost of funeral. The Greeks and Romans introduced burial insurance in 600 CE when they organized guild called benevolent societies, which cared for the surviving families and paid funeral expenses of members upon death. Guilds in the Middle Ages served a similar purpose as did friendly society during Victorian times.